Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix Stripe not showing on Shopify. So if you go as an example on this list panel and click on the settings option, you'll find yourself right here. Go to the list panel again and click on payments. Here, you should normally click on choose a provider. And if you look for Stripe, you should find it. But if you didn't find it, what should you do? The first thing that you'll need to know that if you didn't find Stripe, it's basically because it's not supported on the location of the store that you have. So as an example, in this store, I do have it in Morocco. If you want to know the location of your store, you can click on general and you should find normally your store address. So in order to find Stripe or to enable Stripe, you will need to basically change the location of your country. Of course, you can do that through locations, and it requires some address locations and a lot of things that you'll have to enter. So you'll have to delete your current shop location, add a new one, make it active, and then you'll be able to change the store location. Once you change it, as an example, I do have here another store. Let me just go to settings. And if I go to general right here, I do have this store in Estonia. So Estonia do have Stripe enabled. If I go to payments right here, I will find Shopify Payments. And of course, it is powered by Stripe directly. So if you find Shopify Payments, that means you already have Stripe enabled. You can just go and click on complete account setup or set up the Shopify payment, and you should be good to go to start using Stripe with your Shopify store. Of course, if you don't want Stripe, which is, as I said, built in with Shopify Payments, you can click on see all other providers, and here you'll find all the other providers. Of course, in my country, I don't even have all those providers, so it will basically depend from country to another. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.